Hello everyone, welcome to the best product review channel on YouTube. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we analyze hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guide and check out the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, without any delay, let's get started.
In this video we break down the top 5 best pool tablecloth you can buy right now. We made this list based on performance, features of the product, value for money, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best pool tablecloth on the market this year. Before we start, I have a question for you guys. Which pool tablecloth are you currently using, and which one you recommend? Let me know in the comment. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Accuplay 20 ounces pre-cut pool table felt. The Accuplay 860 billiard tablecloth is the best choice. It's a 90 by 10 worsted wool and nylon blend that's available in 28 different colors, including red, camel, tournament green, and electric blue. Although this is a slightly slower blend, it's ideal for pool and 9-ball. It naturally repels stains, which keeps it looking like new, and the high thread count and wool content make a really durable surface. It can add years of better play to your pool table. One important thing to mention is this material won't pill or shed, which is important for maintaining a smooth playing surface. Shedding and pilling cause grooves and tracks to form over time, which affects the precision and speed of every shot. It's available for tables from 7 to 9 feet, but each size comes with just the right amount of fabric. Our second best pool tablecloth is Loved Billiard Cloth. If you're looking for the best pool table felt for professional games, we recommend the Loved High Speed Professional Pool Tablecloth. Professional tables use worsted material for playing surfaces to get the best results. This product is worsted and provides a smooth playing surface that's durable and a great value. This felt is a 70 by 30 wool and nylon blend that's durable enough for home or commercial use. The tight weave not only helps make sure shots are accurate and fast, but it's also resistant to spills, which keeps it looking cleaner, longer. It prevents wrinkles, ball burns, and grooves to give you a great playing surface for years to come. One really nice thing about this felt is that it's shipped cut to size. You get pre-cut cloth for the table and rails, which makes installation much easier. That's not all, it comes in 14 different colors including tournament green, steel gray, navy, black, and tournament blue. Number 3 in our list is Boshen Billiard Cloth Pool Table Felt. Boshen is a high-quality worsted blend of 80 by 20 wool and nylon that provides the ultimate playing surface for both speed and precision. The high thread count creates a tight weave that adds exceptional durability and keeps dirt and chalk from getting into the fabric. This blend uses 100% Australian wool that won't shed, peel, or fluff to maintain an ideal playing surface for a long period of time. It's great for commercial or home use and works well for professionals and beginners alike. This product includes a pre-cut bed and 6 rail pieces for easy installation. Plus, you have the option of getting the Profession CPBA logo printed on one of the rails. Users don't have a lot of complaints about this felt. It's fast and gives you a lot of control over the cue ball. That said, there's not a lot of fabric to play with, so be careful when installing. Also, some people reported that the rail sections were cut unevenly. Fourth recommendation in our side is BEKZILY 300 Pool Tablecloth. If you want your pool table to play like a professional tournament table, you need professional tournament quality cloth, faster and smoother table felt. The best pool felt for home use is this product from Imperial Leisure. It's specifically designed for 8-foot tables and comes in 22 different colors, so you can easily match it to your game room if you want. Choose from black, green, brown, gold, red, and many more. This is another 80 by 20 blend of wool and nylon, but this material is treated so it's stain resistant, perfect for a busy household. It has a nice amount of stretch to keep it taut and avoid wrinkles. Imperial Leisure Felt comes with pre-cut cloth for the table and rails to make installation a little easier. Some users even commented that there was plenty of felt to work with, so you have a little bit of wiggle room when installing. High density weaving, ball rolling smooth and stable, fast but not slippery, delicate touch, not easy to white point, the best economic billiard club business cloth. Last in our top 5 best pool tablecloth list is Championship Saturn II Billiards Cloth. This championship billiards cloth offers premium performance at a surprisingly affordable price. It stands up to hard commercial use, yet satisfies the most discriminating professional and amateur players. Produced by a proven manufacturing facility, this DuPont Teflon treated cloth delivers quality for superior ball roll. 75% wool, 25% nylon felt. Comes with 7 cloth pieces per set, 6 rail cloths and 1 bed cloth. Available in a variety of colors. The championship is a great choice for anyone looking for a good product while sticking to a budget. It's available in 30 colors, including brights like red and orange and more muted options like charcoal, olive, and academy blue. The 80 by 20 wool nylon blend is comparable to other brands, though it's not worsted, so the texture is a little different. That said, it still has the felt-like feel that you're used to when playing pool. It provides a smooth playing surface that allows for speed and control, and also comes with an optional Teflon coating for stain prevention.